Well, we're Friday evening, Buena Vista, Colorado, October 2011, elk hunt, and we're setting up an area where we're convinced Grandpa's gonna put an elk on the ground tomorrow. Beautiful area. Seen a lot of sign in here. It comes off a pasture and up into some pretty thick timber behind me. So there's the spot. Have a seat. Show us your spot.
Huh?
Show us your spot.
There's a spot.
Where are you going to shoot the elk from? Right down here?
Right down there. Where they got.
I'm going to arrange it, figure out where he's going to shoot. Some heavy timber up behind us. Good stuff for elk to sneak down.